Viewers, our big focus continues to be on what is happening in Kolkata. Amid outrage over the gruesome rape and murder of a trainee doctor at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, the doctors have decided to continue their protest across several hospitals in the country. The Federation of All India Medical Association has called for a nationwide shutdown of OPD services. West Bengal BJP unit will also stage protest in Kolkata, demanding the handing over of the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation and justice for the victim's family. Meanwhile, Kolkata police officials have taken into custody the last 30 days of CCTV footage from the RG Kar Medical College to check which all departments the accused in this case, Sanjay, frequently visited and who else accompanied him. Cops have also summoned Assistant Superintendent of RG Kar Medical College and HOD of Chest Medicine today.
3 দিন হয়ে গেল আমি ভীষণভাবে মানসিকভাবে বিপর্যস্ত বিধ্বস্ত বা ক্রুদ্ধ তবে চারিদিকে পরিস্থিতি এবং বিভিন্ন গুজব আমার কানে আসছে তাই অতি কষ্টে নিজেকে কোনোভাবে সাজিয়ে নিয়ে আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমি বলতে চাই তোমরা প্লিজ আমাকে ভুল বুঝো না তোমাদের প্রত্যেকটা দাবি অত্যন্ত ন্যায্য বলে আমি মনে হয় তাই আমি সর্বতোভাবে তোমাদের এই আন্দোলনকে পূর্ণ সমর্থন করি
And viewers, amid pan-India outrage on this horrific incident, disturbing details of injuries on the victim are out. The details have been accessed by Times Now. We have accessed a preliminary post-mortem report copy. The details are extremely disturbing. The details that we have suggest the brutality of the crime. The victim was seen bleeding from eyes and vagina. There were injuries on victim's neck, leg, belly, and we have other horrific details of the injuries that are mentioned in this preliminary report that we have accessed. There was bleeding from her mouth, left leg had injuries, and even the private parts were badly injured. And now there is another breaking update that we are getting for our viewers right now. Calcutta High Court talks tough. Calcutta High Court has told the state government, in fact, several questions have been raised by Calcutta High Court. The first one being, why is the state government protecting the principal? That's the latest update that we have. We have Tapas joining us on the phone line for more on this. Tapas, what more details can you share with us?
Well, see, the court have pulled up the state government and raised question why the state government is shielding the principal of RG Kar Medical College, the erstwhile principal of RG Kar Medical College from the court. The Chief Justice also mentioned in the court that the principal who has resigned from the RG Kar Hospital on the basis of taking moral responsibility, in that case, how can he be appointed as the principal of another government college? Court have asked him to submit a leave application by 3 p.m. today, or court will pass an order for him to leave the position. So it's clear that he will not be in his position in any case. But courts have also mentioned it that holding an administrative post is not a problem. But he should have been questioned. Should have been the one be questioned by the police. If required, then police can question him. So this has come as a big setback for the state government because the decision taken by the health department yesterday, in place of taking his resignation, reappointing him as a principal of National Medical College and Hospital here in Kolkata, had already stirred the situation, and the students are absolutely adamant. So the court have also observed that the demands being made by the students are absolutely legitimate in nature, and their emotions should also be considered. And taking all measures and looking into all perspectives, there should be a probe into the matter, and if it is needed, then principal can also be questioned by the authorities who are investigating the matter. Back to you.
All right, Tapas, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. Let me also now go across to my colleague Shreya, who's joining us live from Kolkata on this. Shreya, now some important questions have been asked of the state government specifically. One being, why is the government making efforts to protect the principal? Second, the recording of principal's statement was perhaps the most basic thing. Shreya, can you hear me? Okay, I think we will have to try and reconnect with Shreya in just a bit, but that's the latest update that we are getting for you at this point in time. As far as this horrific rape and murder case in Kolkata is concerned, Calcutta High Court talks tough. Court, in fact, wants state government now to file case diary in the court by 1 p.m. Meanwhile, viewers, as we've been reporting since yesterday, that now there are protests across the country that are taking place. There is anger, there is outrage, given the kind of details that have emerged from this particular case so far. The demand of the doctors continues to be that the case should be handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation immediately. We will go across to Shreya in just a bit. Meanwhile, let's also go across to my other colleagues who are live with us. Okay, Shreya is back with us. Shreya, some tough questions have been raised by Calcutta High Court.
Well, of course, we see that certain questions have been raised by the Calcutta High Court. Remember, there has been a public interest litigation that has been submitted in the Calcutta High Court asking for a handover to the case to that of CBI. Right now, we are reporting live from Calcutta National Medical College and Hospital. And as you can see that the gates have been locked by the students and the medical fraternity. The resident doctors and the students are inside. They are standing in protest. This move comes after Sandeep Ghosh, who is the former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, has been appointed yesterday as the principal of Calcutta National Medical College and Hospital. And the students have said that the role of Sandeep Ghosh cannot be overlooked. And at this point in time, we see that the students are holding the authorities responsible for the brutal rape and murder that has happened in RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. And they are saying that they do not want a guardian like that of Sandeep Ghosh to become the principal. And as you can see, they have come out to block the gates, and they have said that they will not allow Sandeep Ghosh to come and become the principal. They have a list of demands. Yesterday there was a general body meeting. They have also asked that all the accused should be brought to book by that of 15th August.
Right, Shreya, stay on with us. Let me now go across to my other colleagues as well. We have Tejshri, Deepak as well as Govind live with us from other parts of the country. Tejshri, to you first. I believe a memo was given to the protesting doctors by AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that they are not allowed to hold any demonstration or dharna in the vicinity of AIIMS. What is the situation like in Safdarjung, where you are right now?
Well, you see, I'm reporting from Safdarjung, just outside the OPD, and you can see that the resident doctors have gathered in large numbers, and in fact now they are issuing their statements. In fact, they are also putting forward their demands. You can see the posters that they're holding in their hands. In fact, they say that Safdarjung stands for safety at workplace. They are also saying that security deployment should be increased, CCTV should be put up at place, and in fact also not just this, but in fact the particular act should be introduced and a committee should be formed. We will also speak to the doctors who have been protesting over here. You have put forward few demands. What are the major demands?
हमारी मेजर डिमांड्स हमारी यही हैं. सबसे पहला तो उस जो हमारा इंसिडेंट हुआ है उसे कल्प्रिट्स को जल्द से जल्दी पकड़ा जाए और उनको सख्त से सख्त सजा दी जाए.
You've also asked for the security deployment here.
That's our demand from a long time. सिक्योरिटी डिप्लॉयमेंट तो होना ही चाहिए. इतना कम नंबर ऑफ गार्ड्स हैं यहाँ पे, मार्शल्स हैं ही नहीं. उनका नंबर इंक्रीज होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, ताकि ऑल पब्लिक शुड बी सेफ, डॉक्टर्स शुड बी सेफ, एवरीवन शुड बी सेफ. ऐसा क्राइम हॉस्पिटल प्रेमिसेस में होना इट्स इनह्यूमन. तो सिक्योरिटी इंक्रीज होनी ही चाहिए.
आप लोगों का प्रोटेस्ट कितनी देर तक कंटिन्यू रहने वाला है? क्या कल भी रहेगा?
हमारा प्रोटेस्ट बिल्कुल, अगर हमारी डिमांड्स पूरी नहीं होती है तो हमारा प्रोटेस्ट कंटिन्यू रहेगा. और कोई टाइम फ्रेम नहीं है इसका, इंडेफिनिट प्रोटेस्ट है. टाइम फ्रेम हम सरकार को देना चाहते हैं कि वो हमारी मांगे जल्दी से जल्दी पूरी करे, ताकि हम ये प्रोटेस्ट बंद करके काम पे जा सके, ताकि मरीजों को परेशानी ना हो और हम भी अपना काम कर सके. हम भी ये चाहते हैं, इसलिए हम सरकार से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि जल्दी से इस पे एक्शन लिया जाए.